Hello everyone, myself lecturer Aditi Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to study the experiments from pharmaceutics 2. So first of all discuss about the monophasic liquid dosage forms. In that B, liquid meant for external administration, that A, the liquid for oral cavity which is taken by mouthwash. These are the aqueous solutions with a pleasant taste and odor used to clean and deodorize the buccal cavity. Recommended containers for mouthwashes are white fluted bottles with screw caps, and special labeling instructions for mouthwash are for external use only and not to be swallowed in the large amounts. In next session we will see about the experiment. So now let's discuss about experiment number 22. Title of our today's experiment is to prepare and submit the mouthwash 10 ml. Formulation and method of preparation of mouthwash we will going to study in this experiment. Learning objectives are to understand the purpose of mouthwash and its method of preparation and ability to prepare and label the mouthwash correctly. Apparatus required are beaker, glass rod, funnel, measuring cylinder, cotton wool, filter paper. Factor calculated as quantity required upon quantity given, that is equal to 10 upon 1000 is equal to 0.01. This is the prescription given. Let's discuss about formulation table. So in that type, that is the use or role of ingredient. Translation means the name of ingredient, quantity given in the imperial system for 30 ml, quantity given in the metric system for 30 ml, and quantity taken in the metric system for 10 ml. So first of, as we have already given the quantity in metric system directly, so zinc sulfate used as antiseptic, quantity given 20 gram, multiply it with factor, we will get 0.2 gram. Zinc chloride used as astringent, quantity given 10 gram, multiply it with factor, we will get 0.1 gram. Dilute hydrochloric acid, that is the used to prevent the turbidity formed due to oxychloride impurity, quantity given is a 10 ml, multiply it with factor, we will get the quantity taken, that is 0.1 ml. Compound tartrazine solution used as a coloring agent, quantity given 2 ml and quantity taken 0.02 ml. Chloroform solution used as a preservative, quantity given 500 ml, again multiply it with factor, we will get the quantity taken 5 ml. Then water used as a vehicle, given quantity is quantity sufficient up to 1000 ml. So we have to prepare 10 ml, so we will make up the volume by adding water up to 10 ml. Direction for external use only and not to be swallowed in large amount. Actual procedure we will going to see it into laboratory. So now let's proceed for performing actual experiment in laboratory. We have, this is zinc sulfate which is previously wet, this is the zinc chloride which is also wet, compound tartrazine solution, we also prepared this from that powder the solution in this beaker. This is dilute hydrochloric acid which is taken into this beaker. This is a chloroform from which we prepared the double strength chloroform water, and this is the purified water. So now let's proceed for practical. So first of all we taken this zinc chloride and proceed for trituration of it into this mortar and pestle. This is a deliquescent, so handle it with care, as there are chances that zinc chloride may absorb the moisture from the atmosphere. Now we are going to add zinc sulfate into it and proceed for trituration. So after trituration, now we are added our that triturated powder into water. Now we are going to add this dilute hydrochloric acid into it, mix it properly. Then we are going to add this compound tartrazine solution into it. Now some particles are seen, so let's proceed for filtration. So we are going to add this formulation into this filtration assembly for proceeding filtration. So now our filtrate is ready. Let's collect this filtrate and then proceed for volume makeup. So we are proceeding for volume makeup. In this measuring cylinder we make up the volume up to 10 ml. So we are going to pour this formulation into this amber colored bottle and then proceed for next labeling part. So after filling our formulation in this container, we will proceed for labeling
mouthwash 10 ml. For ABC, that is name of patient, register number XYZ number given in the register, dispatched by PQR means name of pharmacist, day manufacturing date September 2020, storage store in cool and dark place. One more direction, shake well before using. One another direction for use, that is for external use only and not to be swallowed in large amount. Manufactured by LMN Pharmacy Nasik. Here one can write the name of pharmaceutical industry. Result: 10 ml of mouthwash is submitted in this amber color